How to get in contact with support team of Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily get in contact with support team of Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application on your device. Then after, click on the U icon from the bottom menu, and at the top right corner you see a headset. Simply click on it. That is the support section of Temu application. As you can see, there are different articles that might help you with different problem occurring on Temu application. For an example, when I click on shipping and deliver, it shows me different frequently asked questions that might help me to solve the problem. But from all these menus, if my problem is not relevant, click on contact us option. After that, you will be able to talk to the virtual assistant of Temu application and solve your problem on the spot. So that's it. That is how easily you can get in contact with support team of Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.